Ever wished you could swap out your outfit in a photo and transform it into something new? Today, we're diving into how to change a dress in Adobe Photoshop CS2, a skill that'll unlock your creativity and elevate your photo editing game. First, open your photo in Photoshop. We need to isolate the dress. Select the lasso tool from the toolbar. Carefully trace around the entire dress, making sure your selection encompasses a whole dress. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Just get a good outline once you've gone all the way around. Connect the beginning and end point. Now, refine your selection. Go to the Select menu and choose Refine Edge. A new window appears. Use the Smooth slider to soften any rough edges of the selection. Adjust the other sliders as needed to get the best result. Click OK. It's time to get the new dress in place. Select the image of the dress you want to use. Copy the dress and paste it into your original photos document. Position the pasted dress over the existing one and resize it if necessary, so it lines up properly. Layer masks will help blend the two dresses to perfection. Make sure the new dress layer selected. Then click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, using the brush tool. With black as your foreground color, carefully paint away the parts of the new dress that shouldn't be visible, like the arms or any background elements. This reveals the original dress underneath. Toggle the visibility of the dress layers on and off to make sure they have blended together smoothly, and that there are no rough edges or visible lines. You did it. You've successfully changed a dress. Keep practicing to perfect your skills.